So I'm working on this Craftsman riding mower, and one of the things I wanted to do was tighten up the steering. So I removed the steering gearbox down in there. I'll show you that in a minute. And I had to take the deck off to do that. And while I have the deck off, I went ahead and put some paint on it just to keep it from rusting. And also painted underneath the same way. And I'm going to put one more coat on here, just slap a coat of paint on that thing, just to keep it from rusting away before I put it back together. You're going to get a different seat. Got some fuel filters for it, and but mainly wanted to get in there and get that steering box tightened up. It was super loose, so I'll show you what I ended up doing with it. I replaced this plastic piece here. This one you can see is kind of wallowed out, and it was causing it to be loose. And I had to cut it with a Dremel, cut a slot in there so I could get an Allen wrench down in there to get the Allen bolt. There's an Allen bolt that goes through there and bolts into the middle. And then the other thing that was a problem was had this little plastic bushing here that clearly has worn away, and that was over here. And what I did, I decided not to go back with a plastic bushing, but I just got this 3/4 inch ID bronze bushing, and I had to drill out the metal here just slightly to 7/8 of an inch. And so this is what one of these is what I'm using, and I think this will be much more longer lasting. And so I've got the gear on there now, and it's pretty smooth and operates without any play really. There's a little bit of play in the gear here, but I think that's to be expected. Called a flange bearing, 3/4 ID, 7/8 OD, 1 inch with a 1 1/8 inch flange on it here. And so works pretty good. I like it. That's I think that's an improvement. This piece is I bought that on Amazon. I think it was, I don't know, $10 maybe. This is like a hard plastic. I would have made that in metal if I could have found one, but I think it'll last. This one lasted a long time the way it was.